Did you know your phone is funding a multi-billion-dollar industry? And why does this matter? Here's the law. Right now, your personal data is being collected and sold to data brokers every single day. Apps, websites, and brick and mortar stores are tracking your habits. And honestly, you can't stop all of it. But here's the good news. You can significantly reduce your digital footprint on your own without spending money on legal help. Today, we're going to walk you through a 5-step privacy survival guide that will help you take control of your personal data. Let's start with your legal rights. Under the Personal Information Protection and Electronic Documents Act, PIPEDA, you have the right to access your personal information held by private organizations, correct inaccurate information, challenge the collection, use, or disclosure of your personal information. If a company refuses to comply, you can file a complaint with the Office of the Privacy Commissioner of Canada, OPC. What does this mean for you? You have the power to demand accountability. If you suspect the company is mishandling your data, you don't need to accept it. Pro tip: most organizations have privacy officer. Start by contacting them directly. Now let's get practical. Step 2, opt out. By default, most apps and services share your data with third parties. Take control. Turn off unnecessary app permissions. Location, contacts, camera, and microphone should only be active when needed. Opt out of data sharing in your app settings. Uninstall apps you don't use. Believe it or not, they're still collecting data. Step 3, use strong passwords and two-factor authentication. This is your first line of defense against data breaches. Use a password manager to create a unique password for every account. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible, and avoid SMS-based two-factor authentication where possible. Step 4, check your privacy reports. Major social media platforms now offer privacy and security checklists. Google has a privacy checkup tool. Facebook or Instagram has a privacy checkup. Apple also has a privacy report. Use these tools to see what data is being collected and who has access to them. The final step is your legal remedy. If a company misuses your personal information, collects it without consent, shares it without permission, or fails to protect it, you can file a complaint with the Office of the Privacy Commissioner of Canada. How to file a complaint? First, try to resolve it directly with the company. Contact their privacy officer and see if there's a way to resolve whatever the issue is. If that fails, file a complaint online through the OPC website. A link will be provided in the bio below. Be specific. Provide details about what happened, when it happened, and what you want. Wait for the investigation. The OPC will review your complaint and may investigate. What the OPC can do for you. The OPC can make recommendations, and in serious cases, they can apply to the federal court for an order. You don't need a lawyer. The complaint process is designed for ordinary Canadians. So here's your move. Today, take control of your privacy. Review your app permissions. Remove access for apps you don't use. Check your social media privacy settings. Limit who can see your information. Use a password manager and a two-factor authentication. Protect your accounts. Know your rights under the PIPEDA. File a complaint with the OPC if you suspect violation. This is iChat Law, where the law gets real. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. We'll see you on the next one.